How to use Raydium Swap. So in order to use Raydium Swap, you just have to open any of the wallets of your choice. Let's say for this video I have selected Phantom wallet. So whichever wallet you are in, you need to tap on the browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and in the Pancake Swap you will be able to see the third option of Raydium, which is very convenient for you to reach at Raydium Swap. So once you are on the Raydium Swap, you just have to simply agree to the terms and conditions and tap on the connect wallet option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now over here you can select any of the wallets of your choice, but for this video I'm going to connect my Phantom wallet with it. Now after the successful connection established, you just have to simply select the token that you want to swap for Sol. So you need to tap on this drop down menu and you can simply search for the token of your choice, and you can even paste the contract address of it. After selecting the token, you need to enter the amount of Sol that you want to spend in order to purchase that particular token or the particular meme coin. Then it will show you a bunch of other information like the gas fees that you need to pay as well as the route. So instead of the insufficient balance option, you will be able to see the swap option, but you need to make sure that you have enough Sol in your Phantom wallet. After that, tap on the swap option, and this way you will be able to use Raydium Swap in order to swap your tokens. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto tips. I will see you in the next